Ilan lang po yan sa maaari niyong puntahan kung gusto niyo pong tumulong sa mga naging biktima ng Yolanda sa Pilipinas. Kasama po natin ngayong hapon sa ating programa si Bing de la Vega, ang co-founder ng Philippine Disaster Relief Organization. They are also currently putting together some more relief efforts.
Correct.
And events. In the meantime, if you want more information or if you want to help, gopedro.org. Kasama rin po natin, Honorable Consul General of the Philippine Consulate in Los Angeles, Conjen Helen Barber de la Vega. Nagpapasalamat po tayo, no, Conjen, not just to our kababayans that have quickly organized to put together relief operations, but also pati international community.
Yes.
I'm hearing that the local Chinese charitable organizations here are also sending something over to the Philippines.
Ay, ganun ba? Nagpapasalamat tayo dyan. And in fact, this morning, I've really been very busy. Kaninang umaga, yung ASEAN, the Association of Southeast Asian Nation, ladies club here, donated money for the victims. And then, of course, the Consul General of Israel rang me up and told me that there are two planes coming from Israel is on its way. It's a search and rescue and humanitarian mission. And then, of course, 29 countries have already pledged their assistance.
Okay. Search and rescue, because so many people are still being searched.
Katulad nung kay sa kapatid ni
Yes,
no?
yes.
Oo.
Ano po ang last na narinig nyo about that building?
Ngayon, kasi na-interview ako ng CNN the other day, and I asked for their help kasi alam ko marami silang resources. So they have people on the ground, and at binigay ko sa kanila yung kumpanya. And then when I researched that company, it's based here in the U.S. So I'm sure they have an office in Palo. I'm sure they have vested interest to know what happened to their building or to their employees.
Of course.
I tried to call them, pero I wasn't successful. But the CNN person called them, and she got a message this afternoon na they confirmed that 75 of their 100 employees are alive.
Okay.
So that gave me hope na one of them would be Dailin.
Okay. All right. Darlene is Nino's sister na hinahanap po. If we can put the picture up maybe later, no, para makatulong din tayo. But for now, bukas po ang aming mga linya ng telepono, Talk Tuesday on Kababayan Today. Joy is on the line. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Joy.
Hi, magandang hapon po.
Yes. Do you have a question or a comment for any of our guests?
Ako po'y taga Tabon-Tabon, Leyte, in between Tanawan and Borawin. Until now po, wala po akong, sa family ko, wala po akong contact since Thursday.
Okay.
Hindi ko po alam kung anong nangyayari na sa kanila.
All right. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Conjen, you mentioned something first about being patient. Pangalawa, can you talk about the DFA efforts?
Oo, Joy, alam mo, kapuputap lang namin nung yung Department of Foreign Affairs Coordination Unit sa DFA. And kung mamarapatin mo, kung pwede, gamitin mo tong sasabihin ko lapcg.relief@gmail.com at ipaparating natin yan sa mga authorities natin sa Pilipinas. You see, the lines were cut off, power was off, cell phones were off, so napakahirap talagang i-access yung lugar. Pero we hope that in the next few, nagdadatingan na itong ating mga suporta galing sa international community din, humanitarian and search and rescue missions. So hopefully, magkakaroon ka ng balita in the next 48 or 72 hours. Sana.
Okay. Pete is on the line. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Pete.
Good afternoon. I just wondering if this is proper or not, but I'm just, about the pork barrel scam, those senators and congressmen that involved in this one. I think that you should be using those money to help these people. I think they should come out and, use that and be brave as all these people from other countries helping us. I think I'd like to see them do their job.
Thank you so much. I just saw a picture kanina, no, sa Facebook, and it's saying, kasi ngayon, because people are desperate in those areas, looting is now occurring. And they're saying that if you are desperate, you're affected, you're a looter, you're a thief. Pero if you are in Manila, you're called a senator. Oh. Diba? But it's really sad. It's really sad what's happening right now. Have we heard anything from those senators about helping?
Well, ang masasabi ko lang, I'm sure that most of these legislators are doing their share. I think this is now the opportunity for them, no, to go back to their constituents and demonstrate to them na yung pagboto sa kanila ay tama. So, yun lang ang masasabi ko. And I think most of these legislators are, hindi man natin sila nakikita sa camera, I'm sure they're doing what they think would be best to help their constituents.
Exactly. Tama ka dyan na ngayon naman pagtrabahuan naman nila yung boto na nakuha nila mula sa taong bayan. Well, we're not sure if we can have Nino again for the next blocks, but thank you so much for joining us.
Salamat.
Good luck to you on your search.
Thank you.
Sana nakatulong ito. Sana po kung meron kayong information, if you can just also let us know about that. Thank you. And we'll be back more. Don't go away.